Google enters the mobile payment space with Android Pay.
CNET senior editor Sharon Profis examines how your phone can become your wallet. So first we have Apple Pay, now it's Android Pay.
Yes, very clever, unique name. Gotta love it, Google. So yes, Android Pay was announced last week at Google I/O, and like we said, it's used so that you can pay for things with your Android phone. The biggest standout feature with this is that you can use it with almost any existing Android phone as long as it has NFC. So check out some of the features. Secure payments. That means that it uses tokenization, which means it uses a new 16-digit number for every transaction you do, so that if there was a credit card data breach, your information would be secure. Then you have the real standout feature from Apple Pay, which is rewards. So if a retailer signs up through Google for the rewards program, your transactions are automatically logged and rewarded. So if you use Android Pay, say 5 times at your local drugstore, and you rack up points, then you can automatically redeem them. You have in-app payments, so it's not just for in-store. You can also use it to buy things within apps like music. And like I said, it works with almost all Android phones. And here's the other feature. The fingerprint is not required. You could call that a feature, or you could call that a flaw. For Apple Pay, fingerprint is a standard. For Android Pay, you can use a passcode or a password.
Well, someone call that a flaw because the security behind the fingerprint, right?
Exactly. Biometric security is increasingly becoming a standard, so it feels kind of like stepping back when you consider how easy it is to crack a 4-digit passcode or one of those pattern locks on an Android phone.
How about retailers? Do they need an apparatus for this thing to work?
That's a great question. So retailers, by the end of 2015, there will be a liability shift where if retailers do not accept chip and PIN or EMV cards, they are going to be held liable for fraudulent transactions. So they're going to have to update their credit card terminals. Those new terminals will probably work with contactless payments. So we expect to see more and more retailers become compatible with this.
Will Apple be the same as, they're probably different, right?
They're different, but in a way, for what consumers need to know is that basically wherever Apple Pay is accepted, you'll be able to use Android Pay too.
Got it.
All right, Sharon Profis, thank you.